A very good morning, dear students of Standard 5th. So, I have one comments in a YouTube to give me lesson number 6 from Geography part, that is EVS 1 Geography and Civics part. So here are some question answers. It's lesson number 6. Rules are for everyone. Here is the question answer of this lesson. Rules are for everyone. Now see, this is the first question, that is fill in the blanks, and here is the answer. Our society works according to certain rules. Second one, the Constitution of Independent India has abolished untouchability. Third one, wrong customs and tradition cause the neglect of some section of society. Fourth one, disobeying the rules lead to punishment. And fifth one is, we cannot change the law of nature. Okay, so this is a fill in the blanks part. Now here we come with the MCQ questions, that is multi-choice question. You can see it. See, the rules are made for dash everybody. The rules are meant for dash common good. Dash is a basic of rule, that is equality. The natures, the dash law are constant and fixed, that is natures. The minimum age for the right to vote was 21 years prior to 1988. Now, here are few question answers. Answer in one sentence, or you can say answer in one line. Why are rules made? So the answer is, rules are made to specify duties and responsibility of everyone. Next one, which value have been to the part of our social life since ancient time? The answer is, the value of non-violence and peace has been a part of our social life since ancient time. What are the big obstacles in our society? Poverty and lack of education are the big obstacle in our society. See, here is the answers. Now, the next question is, why do we follow traffic rule? So the answer is, we follow traffic rule so that the traffic moves smoothly. Next, state one law of nature. So the answer is, the regular rising and setting of sun is one of the law of nature. Why do we need to change the law? We need to change the law to meet the needs of changing circumstances. Which laws changed after India gained independence? The law regarding civics life changed after India became independent. Name one good custom. Maintaining the balance of nature is one of our good customs. Next, name one undesirable social custom. So the answer is, caste discrimination, distinction is one of our undesirable social custom. Name some of our social issues. Illiteracy, sway of superstitions, child marriage and child labor are some of our social issues. Now here are few questions, that is from your textbook. Textbook answer is this. Which unjust customs have been banned by law? So the answer is, the unjust custom of sati and child marriage has been banned by law. Second point, go with the point itself. The custom of asking for dowry has been banned by law. The use of magic for cheating people has been banned in Maharashtra. Next question. Why do we need to make a law for the protection of the environment? So the answer is we need to make a law for the protection of environment because most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. There is need to conserve natural resource as the same should be available in enough quantity for our future generation. Come to third question. See, third and fourth is also there. You can, if you want, you can copy it down. State the difference between the rule of society and law of nature. So the answer is natural occurrence follow the law of nature, whereas disciplined social life is based on the rule of society. The law of nature are constant and fixed, whereas the rule of society keep on changing as per changing circumstance. Third one, the law of nature never get outdated, whereas the rule of society tend to get outdated in course of time. What are our good custom and tradition? We celebrate festival together and are hospitable to the guests who visit us. We maintain balance of nature and express gratitude toward animals. Next question. What are the advantages of the following rule? So the answer is traffic moves smoothly when we follow traffic rule. Similarly, we can work efficiently by following the rules. These are the questions of lesson number 6. Now students, here are few give reason. You can copy it down. See, if you want, if it is necessary, and if you have the same questions, then you can copy this down in your book. It will be really very helpful. See, your second question is also there with the following answers. You can write the answer in point wise so that you can read it very nicely and properly. See, can you see? Each and every answer is given.